slime with my sister, and it's really sticky, not sticky, well, stretchy, and I can poke it. And I'm going to do some handprints. And it's a blue and yellow slime. We just put it in now. And it sparkles. And it looks green. And I really like this slime. It's my favourite slime out of all of the collections I have. And it's cool.